Let's talk about a very important bill, and that is Jammu Kashmir Official Languages Bill. Now, why this is important is something very basics of it that we would start with. Now, the bill basically talks about declaring certain languages as official languages in Jammu and Kashmir, which has now been declared as a new union territory. Now, the new languages that are part of it are Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, Hindi, and English have been the languages. So far, only English and Urdu were the official languages. Also, there have been controversies why not we are including Punjabi, Gurjari or Pahari languages, because you have nearly 13 lakh Punjabis who are residing in the state of Jammu Kashmir. So there have been controversies around why these three languages, the Punjabi, Gurjari and Pahari, have not been included in it. Now, if we look onto the statistics, nearly 74% of the population speak Kashmiri and Dogri, and we do not know why so far these were not part of the official languages in Jammu Kashmir. However, if we look on to the Urdu speaking population, it's only 0.16% and 2.3% speak Hindi. But Urdu was one of the major languages or the official languages of Jammu Kashmir so far. Now, if we talk about the languages, they have been mentioned under the 8th schedule, and we have seen that Dogri was recently added along with Bodo and Santhali. And that was under the Amendment Act of 2003, and then we have 22 languages that were there. Also, in the part 17 of the Constitution, we talk about the official languages, and that part 17 of the Constitution focuses from Article 343 to 351. So from Article 343 to 351, we have the official languages and debate on that. And when we are talking about Jammu Kashmir official languages, we need to understand that Article 345 talks about the official language of a state or a language of the state, and that's what it is very, very important. So those were the key highlights about the bill that has been recently passed. The bill also clarifies one interesting thing, that English would remain the language for all those administrative and legislative purposes that it has been so far, and it would not change basically. So prior to the commencement of this act, whatever bills or whatever administrative or legislative processes were in English would continue in English, and it also basically brings more power to Kashmiri and Dogri language. So those two are the key basic things that we can take away from this. So therefore, this is a very, very important bill. However, a short and a quick important highlights for you. We would be covering many such important bills in the upcoming lectures. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.